Bienvenue à tous and welcome back to Decoding French with Nidhya. In our previous video, we had learned about place prepositions, and if you haven't seen it, please check it out afterwards to get a detailed video on the place prepositions in French. Now we are going to learn the time prepositions in French, which are also a very important type of preposition. So, what are you waiting for? Let's begin. So our first time preposition is a, which is also a place preposition. We had mentioned it in our previous video, and in our previous video we said it means at, on or in. And if anyone is new, it means at, on, in. A, at, on, in. And to prove it, let's have a look at some examples. À midi, it means at noon. À midi, à midi. Now we have à 8 heures. À 8 heures. À 8 heures, it means at 8 o'clock. Now we have à Noël, which means at Christmas. À Noël. À Noël. Now we have à l'époque. À l'époque. À l'époque, which means back then or at that time. So now we have the second time preposition. Try pronouncing it with me. It's a little hard to pronounce. It means in, within, or during. Basically, it classifies something which happened during some time, like during some century, or during some season, during some month, during some week. Okay, here are some examples to prove it. En janvier, it means in January. En été, in summer. En une heure, in 1 hour. This one is a little bit of a tongue twister, so let's try again. En une heure, en une heure, en une heure, in 1 hour. Okay? Our third time preposition, depuis, which means since or for. Depuis. This is also really easy to pronounce, and its basic definition is some event or situation which started in the past and is continuing till the present time. Okay, let's see some examples to prove this. Depuis hier, it means since yesterday. Depuis 3 ans means for 3 years. So, it does mean since or for. Fourthly, we have pendant, which is definition is something which had a clear beginning and a clear end. For example, let's take the holidays. Like this, suppose they started in May and ended in June, let's suppose. So they do have a certain duration which is proper and clear. Okay, so let's have a look at some examples to prove this and have a better understanding of it. Pendant les vacances means during the holidays. You can also use it for vacation if you want. Vacation, okay? Vacances, okay? Just a little bit of an extra tip. Now we have pendant 2 heures. Pendant 2 heures. It means in 2 hours. Pendant les vacances, pendant 2 heures. Now we have dans, which means a point in the future or the amount it will take for something to happen, which is why it generally means in or within. Let's understand this better with some examples. Dans une heure, in an hour, dans une heure, in an hour. Now, dans 2 jours, in 2 days, dans 2 jours, in 2 days. Sixthly, we have avant, which refers to a time earlier than another, which generally means before. Okay, so let's have a look at some examples to prove and better understand. Okay, avant minuit, which means before midnight. Avant minuit, before midnight. Avant de partir, before leaving. Avant de partir, before leaving. Now, seventhly, we have après, which means after something or some time. Okay, now let's understand this better with two examples. Après le dîner, after dinner. Après avoir fini, after finishing. Après le dîner, après avoir fini. Okay? Lastly, we have where, which means around. Its proper definition is refers to an approximate time, like approximately. Okay, so let's understand this with examples. Where with around 8 o'clock. Where midi, around noon. Where with where midi, around 8 o'clock, around noon. Hope you like this learning video, and we'll be learning more prepositions in our future videos. And do subscribe to my channel Decoding French with Nidya so that you can make sure to watch each of my videos. So stay tuned. Au revoir.